Hi, my name is Steven with Wecom Fiber. We're here in Golden Valley near Kingman, Arizona, doing some OSP construction. OSP stands for Outside Plant Technician. Basically, we hang fiber optics and strand cables on utility poles. We started this morning at the warehouse, loading trucks up with all the necessary gear and tech for the job. OSP is the main construction phase before step 1 and step 2 can happen. Today we are setting up splice locations, running aerial fiber at 2 different spots, and pulling underground fiber back to the splice locations. Finishing it by lashing it up. Lashing it up means tying the fiber to the wire.
Hey everyone, Tyler here with Wecom Fiber. I wanted to run you through the process of pulling fiber underground today. We're tackling the essential task of pulling fiber underground. First, we carefully locate our underground pathways. Next, we use specialized equipment to thread the fiber through these pathways, ensuring it remains protected and secure. Finally, we connect it all back to the network hubs, ensuring you get the best high-speed internet possible. At Wecom Fiber, we're committed to bringing you the fastest, most reliable internet service. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to stay connected with Wecom Fiber.